Hello and welcome. Today, we will learn the difference between de and dan. These two words sound almost the same, but they are used in different ways. Let's start with then. Then is used for time or to show what happens next. Here are some examples. I ate breakfast, then I went to school. First, you wash your hands, then you eat. If it rains, then we will stay home. So remember, then means next or at that time. Now let's look at then. Then is used to compare things. Here are some examples. My bag is bigger than yours. She runs faster than him. I like mangoes more than bananas. So remember, then is used for comparing. Quick review. Then equal sign time or order. Then equal sign comparison. Practice time. Say these sentences out loud. I finish my work, then I watch TV. This book is better than that one. Great job! If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel for more easy English lessons. And don't forget to press the bell icon.